Let me show you an easy way to delete YouTube videos on your phone. Beyond deleting a video, you can always set it to private so no one else can see it, but you still have it on YouTube. I'll show you how to do that as well. Now, first, just open up the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android, and we need to navigate to your videos. So you can do that by tapping on You at the very bottom right. And now you'll be able to see at the very top, it says Trevor Nace and View Channel. I'm going to tap on View Channel here at the very top. This will show me my channel with all of my videos. Now to delete or manage those videos, I'm going to tap Manage Videos here, and this will show me a list of all these videos. Let's say this YouTube short I don't want to publish. I can delete it by tapping those three dots, and now I have the option. I can just hit the edit button and I can switch the visibility to private if you don't want to fully delete it. You want to keep it on there but to have no one else be able to see it. However, if you want to fully delete it, you can tap those three dots and then just hit delete and delete. Now that will delete it from your YouTube channel.